Somebody's gonna look.
I've tried already. That isn't possible.
Dude, somebody's gotta call him. Hold on. Yeah, wait, hold on. Aiden, if you did not answer your phone! Dude, he's done if he doesn't answer his phone. He snores! Dude, it's like Dude, Aiden, answer your phone! Dude! Hey, I need to call him right now.
He sounds like he's going into the hospital.
Going into the hospital?
Yes, he's going into the hospital in the ambulance. Shut up.
I can't even focus on the game.
Dude, he's not answering! Oh my god, I'm gonna be dead, dude. Dude, what is...